Hi, this is Professor Dr. Ozgentas. Today I will discuss a very well-known topic, botulinum toxin. It's usually known as Botox. In fact, Botox is a commercial name of a product which is produced by a company. Because this is a brand name, it's better to call this substance as botulinum toxin. In Turkey, we have two different botulinum toxin products with two different brand names. In the world, FDA, American Food and Drug Administration, approved that using is safe and reliable for only three botulinum brand names. Two of them are imported to Turkey, but the third one is not. If your Botox injection is done other than these two boxes from another bottle, this injection is not safe. I want to emphasize this specifically. Second important point, these are stored in a refrigerator, and after removing them from the refrigerator must be used immediately. They are in the state of dry powder inside the vial. Before using this, certain amount of physiologic serum should be added over the dry powder to obtain a solution. When the solution is prepared, the effect of the botulinum toxin gradually diminishes by time. That means using immediately after preparation of the solution or using it some hours later may have some differences in terms of results. The difference is usually about the longevity of the result instead of immediate effects. If the waiting time after preparation is like 1 day, 1 week, or a couple of weeks, the duration of the efficiency of the toxin is much shorter. Under normal conditions, when we inject these substances, the complete disappearance of the effect may take up to 8 months. On the other hand, if the toxin is injected by waiting, sometimes its effect can only stay up to 2 months. When we are saying the effect is decreasing, we must understand that effect of any drug decreases slowly. What I mean by decreasing the effect is no more detectable. The effects after 1 or 2 months and the effect after 3 or 4 months will not be the same. Why am I telling these to you? Like me, probably you are also seeing in the internet and other media, especially in the social media, you have seen some advertisements about botulinum toxin prices. Some prices are so cheap that it's hard to believe their accuracy. Let me give an example. Whether Botox or Dysport, their prices in the United States and importing prices in Turkey are at least close to $100. If you can inject this drug much cheaper than its factory price, two things should be considered. First, whether these drugs are not genuine or different brand names are used which are not produced in the US but manufactured in other countries. As far as I know, South Korea and some Eastern Asian countries can manufacture botulinum toxin, but none of them have FDA approval and cannot be considered as safe. The second condition is after preparing the solution, not to use it on the same day and use it to the different patients on the other dates with small doses. This option has some disadvantages. When you use the solution on the same day, it's okay. But if you use the remaining solution after days or weeks, the duration of the effect shortens considerably. My suggestion to the patients: if you are considering having botulinum injections somewhere, first check the box of the product and see it's not opened, and read the brand name of the product. Although there are fake products in the same name and appearance, reliable institutions should not use them. Second, ask your doctor to open this box in front of you and then put the water into it when you are watching. These precautions may lead you to have better results.